Welcome. This is my first program which automates load calculation for industrial portal frame based on IS 875 Part 3 2005. For the problem definition, we'll take a portal frame of span 30 meters. The number of bays are 5 with each bay of 6 meter length. If the bay length is different, just put the corresponding value. Next, in eaves height, we put 9 meters and ridge height as 10.5 meters. We'll provide a live load as per IS 875 Part 2. The value for live load is based on with access and without access. In this condition, we'll take it as without min access. Thus, the value is taken as 0.75 kN per meter square. Next, to calculate wind load, we have to enter VB K1 from these tables. For terrain category, only the value has to be entered. The program automatically calculates K2 for the corresponding height. And then values of K3 and K4 are entered. For dead load calculation, load data like weight of purlins, roof covering sheet and spacing has to be entered. And at last we have to input the coefficient for opening from clause number 6.2.3.2 from IS 875 Part 3. As you can see, as soon as the data is entered, it automatically opens the Word file and a report is generated in Word format. The report contains following parameters. Firstly, the preliminary data. Also, preliminary calculations like angle of roof truss, length of rafter and half slope are also calculated. Also, dead load calculated for all bay length, and for first and last span half load is distributed. So this calculation is also done. Similarly, live load is also calculated for all bay length, and for first and last span half load distributes, so this calculation is also done. And finally, the design wind speed and design wind pressure is also calculated based on the values of VB, K1, K2, K3 and K4. Now let's come to the interesting and time saving part of this program, which is wind calculation for all three cases. For case 1, which is 0° internal suction, all coefficients are automatically calculated from the respective table and data is from IS 875 Part 3. Also, for different bay length, all load are calculated as shown in the figure. This same process is repeated for case 2, which is 0° internal pressure, and case 3, which is 90° internal pressure. And the most important thing of this program is that it automatically generates the STAAD.Pro editor file. This file just has to be copied. Then we open a new STAAD.Pro file. Now in the editor we paste it. It is then saved, and now you can see the same span and same column length as we put in the program. The property is temporarily given, you just have to set it as per your requirement. And supports are also defined. The beauty of this program is that all the loads are applied on the respective member as per calculation. Dead load, live load and wind load is also applied for all the three cases as well. All the load combination as per IS code are also automatically added for the analysis, and finally we can run the analysis. In the end, this program is to simplify the applied load and wind calculation for a portal frame.